Hey, everyone, hit that subscribe button before diving in. Have you ever loved someone so much it hurt? I'm Emily Carter, 32, living in Seattle. 5 years of marriage, but it feels like a lie. My husband, Ryan Hayes, is a tech mogul. But his heart? It's always been with Lily Chen. His first love, his untouchable star. I stare at my phone, fingers hovering. Coming home tonight. I text Ryan. The message sits there, unread, alone. He's probably buried in meetings, I tell myself. But the ache in my chest grows heavier. I take a deep breath, grab my coat. I'm going to his office, surprise him. Seattle's skyline glows under the dusk. Ryan's office is all glass and steel, modern and cold. He's in a meeting, charming as ever. I clutch a bouquet of daisies, my heart racing. Daisies mean love, don't they? But when he sees me, his smile fades. Emily, what are you doing here? He pulls me aside, voice low, distant. 5 years of marriage, and I'm a stranger. Ryan, it's our anniversary, I say softly. He sighs, eyes flickering with impatience. Emily, this marriage was a deal, you know that. Don't take it so seriously. A deal? My heart cracks, daisies trembling in my hands. That night, I dream of my 20th birthday. The Carters found me, their lost daughter. A grand party, chandeliers sparkling. But the guests' whispers cut like knives. She's the foster kid, right? No amount of money hides that baggage. Laughter stung. My parents smiled politely. Only Lily, radiant and kind, defended me. Her smile warmed my heart, until I learned. She was Ryan's first love, his everything. I wake up, tears soaking my pillow. It's 1 a.m., our anniversary gone. Ryan's still not home. I open my notes app, change 5th anniversary to 6th. My hands shake. This is the 5th time I've done this. 5 years of promises, all broken. At the office, gossip buzzes like static. Hot news. Ryan and Lily were spotted at a hotel. My coffee mug shatters on the floor. Scalding liquid burns my ankle, but I feel nothing. Ryan and Lily, together? I call him, voice steady but cold. Ryan, what's going on with you and Lily? He stumbles, Emily, it's nothing, I swear. Nothing. I cut him off. Ryan, we're done. I want a divorce. Hanging up, my heart feels hollow. But somehow, the pain feels lighter. He comes home, sees the burn on my leg. What happened? He asks, concern in his eyes. I'm stunned he cares. Just an accident, I mumble. He kneels beside me, voice soft. Emily, don't leave me. His words tremble, like he's scared. I laugh, tears spilling over. Ryan, you love her, not me. He doesn't deny it, but his eyes beg me to stay. At the family reunion, laughter fills the air. Ryan and Lily chat, so natural, so close. I sip my wine, pretending it doesn't hurt. But it does, like a knife twisting in my chest. After, I step onto the balcony, needing air. Ryan follows, his voice low. Emily, I messed up. I'm sorry. His eyes aren't cold anymore, they're warm, pleading. He pulls me into his arms, holding tight. I can't lose you, he whispers. My heart skips, unsure what to believe. Days later, I find a pregnancy test in the trash. 2 lines stare back at me, undeniable. We're having a baby, our baby. I grew up in foster care, dreaming of a family. This feels like a miracle, a second chance. But when I tell Ryan, his face hardens. Emily, it's not the right time. He hands me an abortion appointment slip. My career's at its peak. We can't do this. My world collapses, tears burning my eyes. Ryan, this is our child. My voice breaks, but he just says, I'm sorry. I run out, Seattle's rain mixing with my tears. Back home, I lock myself in the bathroom. The mirror shows a woman I don't recognize. Tired, broken, done fighting. My wrist stings, the world fading. Then Ryan's voice, desperate, breaks through. Emily, don't leave me. He bursts in, pulls me from the tub. His tears fall on my face, warm and real. In the hospital, he holds my hand. Emily, I love you. Please stay. I wake, his eyes red, his love undeniable. 6 months later, our daughter Grace is born. Her tiny hands grip my finger, pure magic. Ryan comes home, scoops her up, then hugs me. Jealous, babe, he teases, grinning. I roll my eyes, but my heart's full. I used to think I had nothing. Now, I have everything: a family, love. What would you do for love? Forgive or walk away? Tell me below, and don't forget to like,